Had some busy schedules, so not a lot of scrapping done this week, but I'm looking today before garbage trucks come, and we found some of these joyful things that will definitely come with me. Pretty sure Scrap and Pallet Man calls these the pinchomatics. I'm pretty sure that's what these are. Bed frames. Of course, I don't have the truck today because the husband got froze. The joys of law enforcement life. So we will just utilize what we got. Move. These are metal poles. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you can't take them off easily. I thought I'd try, but there's a lot of metal on there. Right? There's a lot of metal. We could... I'm christening the van, guys. This is that moment I wish my son wasn't in the back so I could actually have both seats down. There. We were driving down and we see the destroyed metal. I gotta get all the firework garbage off of it. There's all kinds of metal that's just all disarray. They really just destroyed that thing. There's a couple more pieces still in there, but I don't want to make a mess. I guess I dropped a couple pieces back here too. Let's see what we can do here. It'd be nice if I could get all this cover off of it, because then I don't have to put the cover in my car. I feel like I'm just making a mess in the middle of the street here. Don't mind me. Plus, I think I got most of that off. Yay! That is not recyclable. The metal was, not that. Steaks, I might keep those. Those are always nice to have when you're camping and stuff. Now let's try to get this into the van. I'm trying not to get my van disgusting, guys. Don't know if I'm doing very good at that. Land and stop. Let's see. Oh, it's starting to rain harder again. I'd call this a pinchomatic if I ever saw one, but it's really not pinching. Just like with dumpster diving, you always clean your mess up. Don't leave a mess for someone else. Trucks are ideal for scrapping, guys. I know this. Anyone that scraps knows this. We have the truck, but the husband owns that one, well, drives that one. I have the van. So days like today, I get the van. Might be helpful if we get the whole thing in the car. Didn't even realize that wasn't in the car, so there. On to the next. Like everything had been picked up, so I wasn't really paying much attention. And I went flying past, well, not flying past, but driving past this. I don't know, wine holder? I'm thinking this is a wine holder. It's actually kind of cute. Solid metal. On to the next. Ooh, this is definitely metal. And that is actually really cute. And it looks like it's still in pretty good shape. I might try to find that a home. Fold and go. This. And that's all metal. But that's it, really. Like, I don't think there's enough metal. Some people might take that, but I don't think there's enough. I'm still in disbelief, guys. I'm losing all my dumpsters. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to completely find a new area to go to. Don't know if that's the right size of pallet. Be worth anything. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really don't. I'm at a loss. We already had lost this one a while back, but they got a rollaway that's been nothing but garbage. Let's go see what they got.